Hey guys, Chris Fix here. Have you ever gone to start your car and this happens to you? Listen to this. It just clicks and then now I have no power at all? Well, let me show you how to fix this problem. So locate the battery, and the first thing you're gonna do is make sure both terminals are clean and tight. These are both tight, but check out this positive terminal. This is horrible and this will prevent your car from starting, so let's fix it. First, always disconnect the negative terminal when working on the battery. Next, remove these fasteners holding the cable in. And look at that, that's why the car won't start. So let's clean the corrosion off the metal here. And now we need to clean this up. And to do that, I'm using an electronics cleaner. So spray it on there and brush the corrosion off the wires. Now with the wires clean, let's reattach these and tighten them up. And that's looking way better. Now I know it's not perfect and it should be replaced, but right now I just need to get my truck to start reliably. So let's see if she starts. Moment of truth. Will she start? All right, now that's what I'm talking about. It's a Chris Fix quick tip.